Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
To which question we have completed?
Question 8 or 9 we have done.
Just a minute. I'm just.
Ma'am, in question 10,
Question 10. Okay. We will do the next question. Okay. From question 10 onwards. Let me share the screen first. The screen is visible to you all, right?
yes, ma'am.
We have done question 10 or we are to be started with question number 10? कुछ
We have to do question 10.
बनाना है साइड से, है ना?
जी.
ठीक है. Okay. Okay, let me open the. So today we are going to do the program with the help of methods. Methods लेके बनाएंगे, ठीक है? We'll go to new class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and this one is your question.
10.
Import. Now here the question here is, what is the question here? So here we need to evaluate the sine function as defined in the infinite series expansion. Here the error term we need to take as 10 to the power minus 6. So we have already done this part in the class. ये क्लास में
Yes,
हुआ
ma'am.
था ना? हाँ, तो उसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे अभी प्रोग्राम में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. Check it how we are going to do it. Import java dot util dot scanner. So here we are going to take a method public static. Now let the method here I am taking the return type as void. Okay, I am writing here sine series. Let my method name is sine series, and here I am going to input the value. So here we are going to input in terms of gradient, double gradient. Okay, and in the main function, what we are going to do, we are supposed to call the method. Method को हम लोग call करेंगे. So as we are यहाँ पर scanner class, so the value is going to be passed in the main function. Scanner is equals to new scanner system dot in. Okay. So input कैसे लिया गया है? How the input it is being taken in terms of double. So here I am taking the variable as double x. The value in gradient. So here x is equals to, let's say, dot next double. Then call the method sine series. यहाँ पर पास क्या करोगे x. You need to pass x. Okay. Now tell me what will be the other variables here you are going to define. What will be the initial value of term here?
X.
यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या लिए?
Um,
What will be the initial value? यहाँ पर मैं RA ली हूँ, so the term will be RA. Another value is double T sine. इसको initialize कितना करेंगे? The same RA, because here मैं x ये x का value
RA.
हाँ यहाँ पर मैं RA लिखी हूँ. Now double
RA.
error.
Sum.
error. What is the value for the error? 0.345. अब देखो कैसे variations आएगा. So here I have defined the error value. Now I have taken int I equals to 1. So what is the while statement? While math dot absolute. So we need to check the term value. Term, it should be greater than error. Error से जब तक ज़्यादा होगा, we are going to find out the values. So I equals to I will be updated. कितना term at a time generate हो रहा है? So here the I value is as we are going to generate which terms? Odd numbers generate होगा ना? In the series, as we are going to find the odd numbers, so I is updated with कितना update होगा?
Some odd numbers.
And your term is equals to can I write here minus term into or alternating plus and minus into. यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे? RA into RA, then this value is divided by I into I minus 1. So now put the brackets carefully. ये brackets को भी carefully देना है. Put here a bracket. The bracket. A sine is equals to B sine plus term. So in order to check whether so value क्या आ गया तुम्हारा यहाँ पर system dot out dot println value is plus B sine. So in order to check what you have done is right or wrong, I will call the math dot sine and यहाँ पर I will pass the value R. Okay, now let's run the code. Give me a value. And here I have entered 2. देखो तो, do you get the value? आंसर आया तुम्हारा? Got the answer? So when I am entering the 2, यहाँ पर series का value क्या आ रहा है? It is 0.909297426. And here, whenever the math.sine function is being used, यहाँ पर देखो value. So you are getting almost कहाँ तक same आ गया? 4 to 6. You got up to this point. Exact right result. Okay. Now suppose if I am going to reduce the error value to 0.1, then also you will find the result, but check the accuracy. Here I will enter 2. देखो. So do you find the difference between the accuracy? यहाँ पर कहाँ तक same आ गया? Up to which place you are getting the same value? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
देखो कहाँ तक same आ गया? Up to
The first three places after the
first
decimal
two
point.
places. So it is depending on the term, what is the value or what is the error value you are going to take. So accordingly, you will get that accuracy. I will run the code and 2. So you can check here, you are getting up to 6-digit accuracy after decimal point. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
do this.
ma'am.
Pehla banao and do question number 11, and you need to share the answer of question number 11 so that I will know who have solved it. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm getting a different answer.
Yeah, you got a different answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, share your screen. वो brackets देखो, have you put the brackets correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just share the screen. Let me check.
Share.
यहाँ पर माइनस टर्म लिए हो? Have you taken minus?
Ma'am, in the
नहीं,
line 22, it will be in.
यहाँ पर माइनस लिखे नहीं हो तो गुरमान
कौन सा वाला लाइन है मैम? ये
लाइन नंबर 11
ओके.
वहाँ पर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव दोनों वैल्यू आएगा ना. वन इज पॉजिटिव अनदर वन इज नेगेटिव. टर्म इज इक्वल्स टू -1 इंटू टर्म कर दो.
-1 into term.
हाँ, और यू सिंपली राइट माइनस और सिंपली माइनस लिखो. What the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Others. Yes. Okay, 11 बनाओ सब. Right, question number 11 there. Yes. Question number 11. Below that one, I'm just sharing the screen. Is my screen is visible to all of you? Over. Question number 11 is over. Just a minute. Hello. Over. All of you completed? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you completed the question? Question 11 बना क्या सबका?
ना
Gurman over.
Doing, ma'am.
Okay. Over. Pranab. Sagar.
I'm doing, ma'am.
Okay. Sagar, have you completed? Yash.
I'm doing that.
Okay. Complete it quickly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, can I share my screen for question number 11?
Yes, share your screen.
Can I show?
Huh. Share it.
Can I see my screen?
Let first Akash. Okay. After Sanatan, Akash, you share your screen. Okay. Yes, it is correct, Sanatan. Okay. Akash.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute your mic, Akash. Okay. Yes, it is correct. Why you are getting the result in terms of minus mat dot cos x? Yes, it is correct. Okay, stop sharing. Pranav. Pranav, you write in copy. Write in copy.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Hmm. And just share your screen. I want to check what is the error you are encountering. All of you completed. Gurman हो गया? Question 11.
नहीं मैम नहीं अभी तक।
अच्छा ठीक है, बनाओ, जल्दी बनाओ। सुभाष,
Yes, ma'am.
you
Doing, ma'am.
completed question 11. Okay, do it. Do it. Okay, okay, Pranav. Yes. Yes, yes, it is correct. Have you taken the minus value? कहाँ लिए हो? Oh, this one is your Taylor series. Yes, you are correct. Yes, you are correct. Okay. So those who have completed question 11, go to question number 12, the Taylor series. Yes, it is correct. Yes, you are correct. So those who have completed question 11, go to the next question, question number 12, Taylor series. And question 13 also. 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So complete this one and I will note it down who have completed all these questions. Complete 12, 13, 14. And share the screen. Mika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, complete it and share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Independent.
Yes, others, you are correct. Do the next question. Where is your correct?
Ma'am,
Yes. Sipun?
ma'am, can I share?
Yes. Share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Is it visible?
Now it is visible.
Here the value are not same.
Value of cos series, just a minute. Here you have not written minus. Term is equals to minus term into.
Here.
Okay. Now
ma'am.
run the code. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop sharing. Okay. So Taylor series, how you are going to do? The question here is you need to assume that x is a positive variable of type double. Write a code fragment that uses the Taylor series expansion to set the value to e to the power x equals to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial. So how you are going to do it? New class. Taylor series is question number 12. So import java.util.scanner. Here I am writing the class name public static. I will not return any value. Okay. Series here the input I will provide int n. So user is going to input the value. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in 10. So if you are going to take the value in integer, right, int n is equals to int n enter the. Okay, here we are going to find out the infinite series, isn't it? Enter the value. It's test int. So call the function. Double sum is set it as 0. Then double term is equals to 1. So as the series here, the first term is 1. So we are going to set the value as 1. Then int also 1. So while, what will be the terminating condition here? What will be the terminating condition? Anyone?
One term should be greater than
Okay. Now while term, it should be greater than 0. I'm providing 001. I equals to I plus 1. Then term is equals to term into x divided by I. Okay. x तो नहीं लिया है हम लोग यहाँ पर n लिया है. So here it is n. System dot out dot println the value and sum नहीं निकालोगे क्या? Sum is equals to sum plus term. Println sum. So enter the value of x. Here the value of x is 2. So you are going to get the value as 1. Take the value in terms of double ले लो इसको. Instead of int, take it as double. Okay. Got the answer? All of you clear with question number 12? Kamru. Kamru, are you there? Sanatan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, हो गया सबका question 12? Over question number 12. Are you doing or बनना चुके हो ना क्या किए हो? Respond to my answer. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Now check question number 13. Do question number 13, all of you. Complete it quickly. Question number 13. Question 13 over.
I mean, you could solve question 13 also with method.
Method using. Hey, you do it as. Okay, don't use any method. जैसे बनाना है बना. Question 13. But if you will do it in methods, so you will have a practice on methods also. Okay. Okay, do question number 13.
Ma'am, show the question.
Just a minute. Others, yes. Do question 14 others. Ashutosh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ तक बना है तुम्हारा?
मैम 11 तक मैम.
अच्छा ठीक है, बनाओ. Yes, it is correct. Sagar, you are correct. Yash, correct. Go with question number. Okay. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 का आंसर है. ओके, you do the next question, Yash. Hello. It is correct. Sum equals to plus b. Yes. Yes, it is correct. Paresh, you are correct. Okay. But just yes, Sebun, you are correct. Hello. Fibonacci. Anjali? Yes, you are correct. Do the next question. जल्दी जल्दी खत्म करो. I will do the next one. Yes, you are correct. Saswat? Kamru? You are correct. Do question number 14. Hmm. Correct. Others, you are correct. Okay. Anjali completed. Okay, Kamru. Saswat. Yes, it is also correct. Others. Question 15 is correct. आज others first है. 14, 15. Occurs. Correct. Okay, Kurman, where are you? Okay, completed because we are going to discuss this 17, 18. 21 GCD of two numbers we have already discussed. 17, 18, 19 we are going to discuss it right now. Completed. जल्दी जल्दी खत्म करो.
Ma'am, 13 done, 14 done. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kurman. Question 15. Okay. Yes, correct. Asutosh, you are correct. Asutosh. Gorman. Mihika, have you completed?
Ma'am, I'm in question number 13.
Okay. Okay, do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's correct. N equals to N minus 2 by N minus 2. Kurban, why you have written N minus 2 there? It's correct.
I mean, it was printing two terms, no? That's all.
Sagar, yes. What is the value of n you have taken, Gurman?
And I have taken the number of terms like 10 terms or 11 terms, 12 terms. That is
Okay. Acha, you okay, then it's fine. Sagar, you are correct. I equals to I plus c. Okay, you have printed 3 terms at a time. Okay. See, occurs. Okay. Asutos. Saisri, are you there? Okay, question 15. Are you able to do question number 15, all of you? Bano. Yes, it is correct. That is.
मैम क्वेश्चन 14 में पेयर वाइज फिबोनाची सीरीज चाहिए.
हाँ हाँ, पेयर वाइज निकालना है. You need to find out pair wise.
Okay मैम.
Unable to do question. Yes, I will do it. Question number 15. अंकित बना तुम्हारा?
मैं अभी 14 कर रहा हूँ.
14th.
Yes मैम.
Okay. Okay, do it. I will do question number 15. Saswat? Saswat has completed. Okay. 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 Yes. Okay, now check. Question number 15, all of you. What is the question here? Now, suppose you have $100 in each month in a saving account with annual rate of interest is 5%. So, the monthly rate of interest is given here, it is 0.05 divided by 12. Okay, after the first month, the value in the account will become 100 into this one. So, every time you are going to add 100 to it. Okay, so after the second month, 100 plus the value what you have obtained into the current value. Now in the third month, 201 plus 100 into this value. Okay, and so on. So write a Java program for that prompts the user to enter the amount input karega, annual rate of interest. Now let the annual rate of interest is 5%. Okay, and the number of month. Okay, 6. So you need to display the amount after each month. In some savings, display the amount in the savings account after the given month. So हर एक month के लिए कितना save हुआ है, you need to calculate it. And जो भी month तुम input करोगे, if you have inputted 6, then it is going to print the value what we will obtain after this month. Okay. Now check the solution for it. This one is question number 15. Question 15. Import java.util.scanner. So let I will define a method. Public static. So it will compute the interest. Okay. Let I will provide the method as void, no return type, and I will input the principal amount. Okay. Amount rate of interest. So the amount here will be double amount. We are going to input the rate of interest also. So take it as again double rate of interest and another value month. You can take it in integer. Okay. So let this is the method. So is the values you are going to input in the main class. Scanner is equals to new scanner system.in. Okay.
Done ma'am.
Anyone wants to say something? So double amount. Then here I am writing rate and here the month. Okay. System.out.println. Enter the amount. So amount is equals to SA dot next double. Hiranmai. Question number 14. Yes, it is correct. Pranav, you are correct. Okay. Now check question number 15. Try to note it down all the question answers. Okay. So here rate you are going to input SA dot next. In the rate will be in the double. Then amount या rate क्या है now here month is equals to SA dot next INT. Okay, so month. Oh, again call the method. So यहाँ पर interest. Okay, the value here is amount. Now rate and month. Okay, method call हो गया. देखो तो spelling सही है तो हाँ, it is correct. So here we are going to take the value double integer. So two values you are going to come monthly rate of interest. You need to compute it. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा monthly rate? RI divided by 1200. Okay. Then what is the next value? The interest or the compound value you are going to obtain. So here value it is equals to, let you set it as 0. Okay. उसके बाद for, so for the month is equals to 1. Now here what will be happening? Month कितना हो जाएगा? Or take it as I. INT I. Make a mistake here. I equals to 1. I less than equals to month. Then I plus. So what will be the formula here? Value is equals to, जो भी amount आया है, amount plus value. Initially it is 0 into 1 plus month rate. Okay. Sagar, are you there? So यहाँ पर क्या print करोगे? What the value you are going to obtain? Are you clear? Question number 15. Yes, it is correct. So here you need to print it after the, with outside the for loop occurs. You need to print it outside the for loop. Okay, according to the question. So it is showing it, but you need to display the amount after the given month. Month के बाद क्या आएगा उसको display करना है. So let here the amount is 100. The rate of interest here is 5. And the month here I have input 6. So after 6 months, you will get this sub value. Okay. Yes, you are correct. Gurman, you are correct. Okay. Saswat, you are also correct. You can also do it without using method also. Okay. Should I move to the next question? Question number 16. You can do it by your own. Check the next question here, Gurman. What is your error here? Wait. What is the value of T you have inputted? उसे 1200 करो ना गुरमान. Gurman, are you there?
मैंने टी को डायरेक्टली मंथ्स में लिया है.
तुम टी को वो जो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है उससे डिवाइडेड बाय वो होगा ना, तुम वो ईयरली दे हो आर डिवाइड ईयरली दे हो जो 5 है दैट यू हैव इनपुटेड ईयरली, तो मंथली के लिए कैसे कंप्यूट करोगे?
मैम क्वेश्चन में तो मतलब ऐसे ही शो किया था कि डिवाइड बाय टी किया था.
हाँ, you for monthly you need to divide it by 1200.
एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन में वैसे ही दिया हुआ था कि 0.05 डिवाइडेड बाय 12 किया था उन्होंने.
हाँ it is when ये देखो मंथली रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 5 है, तो आप बाई 100 करोगे तो 0.5 हो गया, ये डिवाइडेड बाय क्या 12 है. फॉर ईच ईयर फॉर ईच मंथ यू नीड टू डिवाइड बाय कितने डिवाइड करोगे? ये एनुअल रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट दिया गया है, तो ईच मंथ का कितना आ जाएगा? रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट डिवाइडेड बाय 1200. बट हियर यू हैव रिटन टी इन द प्रोग्राम. देख समझ में आ रहा है?
यस मैम.
You change that one, and the rest part is same. It is correct. Okay. Now check. I will come back to the directly question number 17 को देखो. Check the question here. What it is written? Write a Java program to compute the square root. क्या निकालना है तुम्हें? You need to compute the square root. उसके बाद nth root है. So check the code here. Here we are not going to use math.sqrt function. Math.sqrt function use नहीं होगा. We need to compute the square root. Savings ये सब ठीक है. Monthly rate of हाँ it is correct. To side answer. Just a minute. इसका तो गलत हो गया है. आशुतोष.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your error? वहाँ पर जो अमाउंट किए हो, just can you share your screen?
Ma'am, I'm using the phone, ma'am.
Oh, you have used it in the phone. Okay, it's correct. Yes. Sibul. इट इज करेक्ट। तो वहां पर जो फोन में यूज किया वो एक मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। एक मिनट, वो जो आया है ना, आफ्टर वाइल आई इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू मंथ, फिर सिस्टम डॉट
Yes, ma'am.
आउट, वहां पर लिखे हो सेविंग्स इक्वल्स टू प्लस क्या लिखे, अमाउंट प्लस अमाउंट इनटू मंथली इंटरेस्ट। सो वहां पर सेविंग्स को ऐड करो, अमाउंट प्लस सेविंग, तुम उसको
Ma'am,
लास्ट में ऐड किए
ma'am,
हो, सिस्टम डॉट इंटेलिजेंट के बाद ऐड किए हो शायद से।
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
आंसर
ma'am.
क्या आ रहा है,
समझ गया।
गलत आ रहा है। ओके, शुड आई मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर, स्क्वायर रूट हो जाए। चेक द लॉजिक हियर, स्क्वायर रूट। So as here we are going to compute the square root of a number. 36 का square root कितना आएगा?
6.
What is the 6? So what is the basic logic here? हम लोग क्या करेंगे, divide करते हुए जाएंगे. Again here we are going to use the error term in order to compute the square root. निकालने के लिए error term use करेंगे. So here we will use G1 and G2. ओके, टू वेरिएबल्स, दो वेरिएबल यूज करेंगे। सो अजम्पशन में ही स्क्वायर रूट निकाला जाएगा। सो नाउ लेट G2 इज इक्वल्स टू n by 2. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ n? लेट n का वैल्यू तुम्हारा कितना है? Here we are going to take two values, एक G1 लेंगे, एक G2, any two variables. So n G2 को हम लोग असाइन करेंगे n by 2, वट एवर द नंबर जिसका हमें स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है उसको डिवाइडेड बाई 2 करेंगे। सो 36 by 2 कितना आएगा?
18.
18. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम 18 और यहाँ पर हम लोग एक डू वाइल लूप लेंगे। सो नाउ G1 इज असाइन्ड विद G2, तो अभी G1 में कितना असाइन हो गया? G1 इज इक्वल्स टू 18। फिर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक नया G2 निकालेंगे। सो चेक हाउ इट इज बीइंग डन। G1 प्लस n by G1 होल डिवाइडेड बाई 2। तो G1 का वैल्यू तुम्हारा कितना है? 18 है। 18 प्लस 36 by 18, व्हाट इज द न्यू वैल्यू? ये कितना आ जाएगा?
Sorry, 20.
I'm just doing one thing. Here my G1 here is, और G2 here is n by 2. इनिशियली हमारा हो गया 18। हम लोग क्या करेंगे, G1 में G2 इनिशियलाइज करेंगे। बेसिक लॉजिक हियर इज वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट G1, ये फॉर्मूला यूज होगा, डिवाइडेड बाई 2। सो एवरी टाइम हम लोग नंबर को, दो नंबर को ऐड करते हुए डिवाइड करेंगे। मीन्स वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ मिनिमम गेस, वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ अपर गेस। ये नंबर अपना है 36, सो एक मिनिमम गेस 0 ले सकते हैं एंड अपर गेस 36 ले सकते हैं एंड वी कैन स्टार्ट आवर गेसिंग। तो 36 by 2 कितना आ गया? इनिशियली 18 आ गया। ओके, अगेन हम लोग किसके बीच में स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे? वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट विद इन दिस रेंज। सो इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग इन दिस वे we will simply use this formula. ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहे हैं in order to compute the square root. तो G1 is 18, 36 by G1 divided by 2. What is the value here? 36 by 18 कितना आ जाएगा?
2.
2 divided by 2. What is the value?
10.
10 आ गया। सो 36 से हम लोग आ गए कहाँ पर? नेक्स्ट नंबर 18। 18 से कहाँ पर आ गए?
10.
10. Then my next value will be 10 plus 36 by 10 divided by 2. So what will be the value here? 10 plus 3.6 divided by 2 कितना हो गया? 13.6 divided by 2. What will be the value?
Ma'am, no.
It will be in double. कितना आ गया?
Ma'am, 6 point.
6.8. तो मेरा नेक्स्ट नंबर कितना आ गया? 6.8. Again do another break, और एक ब्रेक करो. So 6.8 plus 36 divided by 6.8 divided by 2. What will be the value? (6.8). It is 5.294 divided by 2. So here it will be
6.04.
12.1 divided by 2. So approximately कितना आ गया?
6.047.
047. Again फिर फॉर्मूला में डालो. 6.047 plus n divided by 6.047 divided by 2. Here my n value is 36. बोलो कितना आएगा? 36. It will be 6.047 plus 5.9533 divided by 2. So this value is approximately 12.
6.001.
Okay, divided by 2. So you will get here 6.001. Okay, तो यहाँ पर so what you are going to use? You are just going to simply use this formula in order to compute the square root of a number. तो दो वेरिएबल लेना पड़ेगा. Initially we are going to जो भी नंबर है you put it in this formula and you are going to repetitively क्या करना है? You are going to use this formula for a repetitive number of times. कितने बार यूज करोगे? जब तक वैल्यू कितना नहीं हो जाता है? 0.001. So which value will become 0.001? The difference between G1 and G2. Are you getting my point? I am not explaining in detail here. I am just giving you the formula. Screen erase कर रही हूँ. Here we have two values. One is G1. We are going to use another number is G2. We are repetitively computing the value of G2 is equals to G1 plus n by G1 whole divided by 2. This process will be repeated until and unless G1 minus G2 is greater than 0.001. Okay, and here G1 will be initialized with which value? G2. And initially G2 कितना हो जाएगा? Whatever will the number divided by 2. तो हम लोग गेस कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? If the number is 36, we will start it from 36 by 2. Means we are going to proceed it with 18. Are you getting my point? Otherwise, you can directly start G2 is equals to n also. N का value कितना है? What is the value of n here?
36.
36. देखो n 36 से भी लो, तुम लोगों का आंसर मिल जाएगा. देखो G1 में आ गया कितना? 36. Now G2 कितना आ जाएगा? 36 plus 36 by 36
by 2.
divided by 2.
नहीं
36
36
कितना आ गया? What will be the value here?
18.5
Huh?
18.5
18 point you will get 18.5. Okay, you will get this value. Now G1 में कितना है तुम्हारा? What is the value in G1?
36
36 minus 18 point this value. It is greater than 0.001.
yes ma'am.
Okay, again compute. So G1 is equals to now 18.5. Now G2 ये कितना हो जाएगा? G1 plus means 18.5 plus 36 divided by 18.5 whole divided by 2. तो कितना होगा बताओ तो? 18.5 plus
Ma'am 10.22
here it will be 1.945 plus 18.5. So divided
Ma'am,
by 2. It is yes.
Ma'am, I am getting 10.22
10 point, yes, 10.22. Here the G2 value will be 10.22. Now G1 कितना है तुम्हारा? What is the G1 value? 18.5 minus 10.22. It is greater than 0.001, isn't it?
yes ma'am.
Again you need to do this step. तो ये हो गया कितना? 10.22 plus 36 divided by 10.22 whole divided by 2. So you are coming nearer to the value 6 के पास आ रहे हो ना? देखो पहले कहाँ पर थे? G2 36, the next 18.5. अब कहाँ पर आ गए हो? 10.22. Now divide it. (36) divided by 10.22 plus
Ma'am 6.871.
Here the answer is 6.871. Again 6.871 minus 10.22. It is greater than 0.001.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, again you need to do another one step. Whole divided by 2. Now you are getting the answer as 6.0552. Correct answer? Now 6.871 minus 6.05. Now it is greater than 0.001. से ज़्यादा है ना?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, again you need to go for another step to get more accurate result. Okay, plus 36 divided by 6.0552 whole divided by 2. Now here you are getting the answer as 6.025. यहाँ पर कितना था 6.05, यहाँ पर आ गया 6.025, अगेन
Ma'am,
6.05, इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0.001, तो और एक स्टेप ज्यादा जाओगे, सो यू नीड टू डू इट जब तक यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट accurate up to how many decimal points?
4 decimal point.
4 decimal point. Okay. This formula known as your analysis में पढ़ोगे formula which do you put the density of number. Okay.
And your voice
Is my voice is
Yes, ma'am.
now it is able to you?
Not audible, ma'am.
Is my voice is clear or it is
breaking a lot.
Breaking a lot. Difficult to understand it.
Am I audible or my voice is breaking?
Yes, ma'am. Now you are audible. Ma'am, can you repeat your words? What you are saying?
Okay. हाँ, just a minute. This ये जो मेथड है ये क्या है? फॉर्मूला है git equals to g1 plus n by g1 divided by 2. Okay. This formula I will repeat it. I'm just erasing the screen first. It is in your numerical analysis method. Okay. This is the formula you are going to use to compute the square root of a number. You have another formula to compute the nth root also. Here we are going to take two variables g1 and g2. Okay, initially g1 is equals to g2. G2 will be finded. Next value will you are going to compute using g1 plus n by g1 whole divided by 2. These two steps you are going to repeat it until and unless g1 minus g2 it is greater than 0.001. तो ये accuracy कब तक देगा? It will give you the accuracy after decimal point 3 places or 4 places. If you are going to use 4 zeros, then it will give you accuracy up to how many decimal places?
5.
Okay, 4 or 5 decimal places. Okay, this formula you are going to take. तो ये जो दो फॉर्मूला है हम लोगों को इनिशियलाइज क्या करना पड़ेगा? आई नीड टू इनिशियलाइज द G2 वैल्यू इनिशियली. सो G2 वैल्यू क्या होगा? आई कैन इनिशियलाइज द नंबर फर्स्ट. नंबर को डायरेक्टली इनिशियलाइज कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज वी कैन राइट हियर n by 2 also. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes.
अगर n by 2 लिखेंगे हम लोग का एक स्टेप क्या हो जाएगा? कम हो जाएगा. वी विल रिड्यूस 1 स्टेप. अगर n लेंगे तो हमें एक स्टेप ज्यादा कंप्यूट करना पड़ेगा. आर यू क्लियर?
मैम एक बार और रिपीट कर दीजिए मैम.
ये देखो यहाँ पर ये जो दो वेरिएबल है, ये दोनों वेरिएबल को हम लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा? इनिशियलाइज करना पड़ेगा.
यस मैम.
G1 को तो हम लोग इनिशियलाइज क्या कर दिए? G2. नेक्स्ट G2 क्या कंप्यूट करोगे? ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके कंप्यूट करोगे. ठीक है, लेकिन जब इनिशियली
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
लोग G2 में जो वैल्यू देंगे वो क्या देंगे? हम लोग n दे सकते हैं. जो नंबर है जिसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है वो नंबर को डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं.
यस मैम.
ठीक है, अगर नंबर को डायरेक्टली लिखेंगे हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक स्टेप ज्यादा हमें कंप्यूट करना पड़ेगा.
मैम
समझ
कैसे?
में आ रहा है? देखो कैसे, देखो ये हो गया क्या? G1. G1 में अभी तुम्हारा कितना आ गया?
36.
G2 में कितना आ गया? 36 प्लस 36 बाई 36 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 कितना आ गया? 36 प्लस 1 बाई 2 कितना हो गया? 18.5। ठीक है।
Yes, ma'am.
अगर मैं डायरेक्टली G2 में 36/2 सेट कर दूंगी तो कितना आ रहा है?
18.
18 आ गया। तो 18 आ गया तो अभी मैं G1 में कितना इनिशियलाइज कर सकती हूँ?
18.
एंड G2 में मैं कितना इनिशियलाइज क्या सेट कर सकती हूँ? 18/36/8 होल डिवाइडेड बाई 2। अब तुम्हारा एक स्टेप रिड्यूस हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? यहाँ पर
Yes,
कितना
ma'am.
आ गया? 10 आ गया। लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या करोगे? एक स्टेप तुम 18.5 निकालोगे, दूसरे स्टेप को जाते जाते तुम्हारा 10 डॉट सम वैल्यू आएगा। अगर तुम G1 को 36 लोगे तो G2 को समझे कि नहीं समझे? देखो यहाँ पर देखो, ये G2 हो गया। फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं जब G1 अभी मेरा कितना हो गया? 18.5। अब मेरा G2 का वैल्यू कितना हो गया? 18.5 प्लस 36 डिवाइडेड बाई 18.5 होल डिवाइडेड बाई 2। कितना आंसर आएगा बताओ तो? You will get 10.224।
Yes, ma'am. समझ गए.
और अभी कितने स्टेप में तुम्हारा 10.224 आया है? ये पहला स्टेप गया। ये कौन सा स्टेप गया? स्टेप 2। लेकिन अगर मैं G2 में 36/2 सेट कर रही हूँ तो कितने स्टेप में मैं 10 तक आ जाऊंगी? In how many step we will reach to 10? एक ही स्टेप में डायरेक्टली आंसर आ जाएगा।
One step.
If I will initialize G2 is equals
Yes,
to
ma'am.
36/2। ओके, यहाँ पर मैं इनिशियलाइज कितना की हूँ? डायरेक्टली 36 इनिशियलाइज की हूँ। आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what we are going to do, take G2 is equals to n by 2. Then within the loop we are going to write G1 is equals to G2 and compute G2 is equals to G1 plus n by G1 whole divided by 2. ये डायरेक्टली न्यूटन मेथड है। while G1 minus G2 is greater than 0.0001. Okay, and तुम्हारा स्क्वायर रूट क्या बनेगा? Which one will be the square root? The new computed value of
When G2.
G2. Okay, your square root will be G2. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Program देखो, check the code. Kamru, is my voices now breaking?
No, ma'am.
Now check. This one is which question? Question 17. It's Newton's method, okay? This one is your Newton's method. Again, you are going to do it while you will learn numerical analysis, I think. Okay, here I am directly writing the code in the main function itself. Java.util.scalar. Enter the number. N is equals to SA dot next double then do G2 is equals to N divided by 2. G1 is equals to G2 computed. G2 is equals to G1 plus N divided by G1 5 enter the number 4. आंसर कितना आया? What is the square root of 4?
2.
Okay. Again, 56. So what is the answer you are getting? Are you clear? math.sqrt लिख देते थे, अब math.sqrt की जगह क्या लिखोगे? Or you know how the math.sqrt function is working? Okay. Write down the score. यहाँ पर क्या बोला है देखो तो, यहाँ पर क्या बोला है? To find the which root?
kth root.
Kth root. मतलब फॉर्मूला ऐसा लिखोगे, अगर तुम 3 दोगे वो क्यूब रूट निकालेगा, 4 दोगे वो 4th रूट निकालेगा, 5 दोगे 5th रूट निकालेगा. So here only you need to change this part. क्या चेंज करना है? I will do it first. इसे लिख लो. Just write down this code. I will change the formula again. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
हो गया? Have you noted it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now check the kth root. Just we need to take another variable. हम लोग बस एक ही वैल्यू लिए थे, स्क्वायर रूट निकल रहा था तो बस नंबर लिए थे. आज वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द kth रूट. वी नीड टू टेक 2 इनपुट्स. 2 इनपुट लेना पड़ेगा. कौन सा रूट निकालना है? Okay. And here enter the root. Here let take it as integer में ले लो. Integer k is equals to sa dot next int. G1 is equals to n by 2. The rest यहाँ पर बस एक छोटा सा change होगा. As we need to compute the kth root, यहाँ पर हो जाएगा this one will be k minus 1. K minus 1 into G1. Okay. And here n divided by power function भी use कर सकते हो. Math dot POW. Here you need to compute G1 comma k minus 1 all divided by k. Instead of 2 it will be k. Let them bracket this one. Enter the root. Got the answer?
Yes,
Enter
ma'am.
the number 4. यहाँ पर root ले लो 2. 2 आ गया. Now enter a number 27. Enter the root here is 3. Okay. So ये हो जाएगा k minus 1 into G1 plus n divided by G to the power k minus 1 whole divided by k. This one is the formula. I'm just writing the formula here. ये हो क्या formula? For kth root, the formula is k minus 1 into G1 plus n by G1 to the power k minus 1 whole divided by k. Okay. स्क्वायर रूट होता था तो यहाँ पर क्या होता था 2 minus 1 it will be G1. n by 2 minus 1 is 1. So n by G1 by divided by क्या होता था 2.
2.
As it is a kth root, we need to write this code. Okay, note down this program. Again, prime number रह गया. Smallest divisor is also left. बाइनरी रिप्रेजेंटेशन रह गया. When a number of problems are there remaining. Okay. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ओके आज बहुत प्रोग्राम हो गया है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will not push you another. हाँ?
अच्छा ही ऐसे ही डेली हो डेली तो बहुत
Okay. Again, we will another very important questions are left. 19 रह गया, 20 रह गया, 21 we have completed. 22 is also there. Okay. And okay, we will do it. And 30 is the questions also. Okay, these are a few important questions. Important. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we will discuss it some other day. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.